Hi all, today I am going to share few facts about Covid-19 vaccine by Russia. It's been nearly 9 months into the Covid-19 outbreak. Russia became the first country to grant regulatory approval to a Covid-19 vaccine, dubbed Sputnik V. The vaccine, so-called viral vector vaccine, has been developed by the Gamaleya Microbiology Research Center Institute in collaboration with the country's defense ministry. How it works. Adenovirus is a common cold virus. SARS-CoV-2 is the virus that causes COVID-19. This vaccine is based on human adenovirus fused with SARS-CoV-2 spike protein to stimulate an immune response in the body. This vaccine uses the weakened virus to deliver small parts of a pathogen and stimulate an immune response. It also maintains the coronavirus particles in the vaccine, which cannot harm the body as they cannot multiply. Phases of trials. Phase 1. Human trials started on June 17, among 76 volunteers, with most being recruited from the military. Half were injected with a vaccine in liquid form and the other half with a vaccine that came as soluble powder. Phase 2. Trials were started on July 13th. On August 3rd, Russian media reported that Gamaleya Institute had completed clinical trials. The reports, however, did not specify whether all the 3 stages of clinical trials were over or only stage 2 was completed. Phase 2 trials usually take a few months to be completed. Interestingly, Russia had earlier indicated that Phase 3 human trials, where a candidate vaccine is tested on tens of thousands of people for its effectiveness in real-life situations, will be completed after the shot received regulatory approval. Concern raised by experts. Human trials for the vaccine take several years in normal circumstances, but Russia claims that it has been completed in 2 months. Russia is cutting corners so that the vaccine that will come out may be not just ineffective but also unsafe. It doesn't work that way. Trials should come first. US, Britain, Canada have accused Russia of using hackers to steal vaccine research from Western labs. It remains unclear whether Phase 3 trials set to be carried out after the COVID-19 vaccine receives conditional approval will wrap up by October, when health officials plan to start mass vaccination, and how trustworthy the results will be. The study will supposedly involve 1,600 participants, 800 for each of the form of vaccine. In comparison, a similar Phase 3 trial in the US includes 30,000 people. Russia claims Putin said that the vaccine works quite effectively and forms a stable immunity against COVID-19. Putin said that one of his daughters had tested the vaccine on herself and she was feeling well. Also added that she had a slight temperature after a second injection, and that's all. Industrial production was expected from September. 20 countries had made preliminary application for over 1 billion doses of the vaccine. Russia is ready to manufacture 500 million doses of vaccine per year in 5 countries. I hope this information was useful. Thanks for watching.